To see a day in the life of your vehicle, click the Service Verification button. Enter the vehicle name to see a list of your vehicles that match that description, and then select the correct vehicle. Then choose the date range you would like to see. Keep in mind this date range must be less than 48 hours. You can also select down to the time of day you'd like to see as well. Then click Done, and then Go. Additionally, you can select under Options if you want to see other assets in the vehicle's path, show rig data, or choose how you'd like the data to geocode. By default, it will show well sites, drilling info rigs, and name locations. You can also adjust the time that the system will identify as a stop. The data on the left side is a summary of the stops and transit times for that vehicle for that period of time. To get more information about each stop or transit, you can double-click on the summary. The green on the map will show where the asset was moving, and the red shows its stops. If you scroll your mouse over the map pins, you can see them highlighted across the timeline on the top to see when they were exactly at that point. On the right side, you can add map layers, including name locations, so you can see if your vehicle entered or exited that area. And on the left, you can switch from satellite to map view. All of this data is printable by clicking the printer icon.